Now, I'm going to ask you to make the sound that the letter makes, okay?
No.
So let's start up here.
No.
You ready? Show me the sound. So that's the name. Give me the sound that B makes.
B.
Good. You know this one? Okay.
A. J. A. K.
Not sure? Skip it.
M. I.
Do you know the sound that I makes? You're right. Okay, let's go down to this one.
Ch. Yeah. D. Yeah. J.
Let's go back to this one. This is the G. It can make two sounds. Do you know what sounds it can make?
J.
J, like in gym. And how about another one? It can go G, like in girl. Last one.
And J.
Wow, you know so many letters. Thank you.